All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agents project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And yesterday, if you recall, we went over our first group chat agents. We were actually able to get those implemented and run successfully. So today, we're going to take it a step further. Today, we're going to create our first game using our learning agents. So this is where we apply our learning agents to create our first game. We will have our learning agents create a snake game on its own according to the specifications we give them. In this session, we will do the following. We'll create a snake game, create an OAI for the .json, create a user agent in a group chat, and ask them to create a snake game. So this is just some generic code that I put together that will actually create that snake game, but everybody creates snake games. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get and bring this over to our Google Colab and make sure everything runs. And then I'm going to strip it out and configure it to create a different kind of game. I'm not sure just yet what kind of game I'm going to create, but I do have a few things in mind. Maybe like a Wheel of Fortune, Hangman kind of game. I'm not sure yet, but everybody does snakes. So I'm going to try to deviate away from the snake game because it's been done a million times. We're going to see if we can put these agents to use to create something more useful or something that's more applicable to what we're going to be doing. Again, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to be doing just yet or what kind of game we're going to be creating, but once we get this to the Google Colab and make sure everything can run, we're going to strip out all of the information we gave it. We're going to keep the hard shell, of course, all of our agents and everything like that, and it's going to program it to create something a little bit more exciting. But of course, I'll probably be doing that tonight to keep you updated on the Google Colab to make sure it does go through to see if everything is working fine the way it should be. But I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.